Additional Course B1 P21A. Position Coordinate Systems. Unite with regions. With the knowledge from the last course, positioning the pipe and the hole is no problem in this additional course. Using the option Define Regions, unneeded regions of the pipe are removed. And so that the position of the hole associatively adjusts to the diameter of the pipe, a measurement is created again. Create base body. First create the plate as desired, whether as a cylinder, or with the revolve or extrude command. This is followed by positioning the first hole. And patterning the hole. Create pipe. With the option Offset CSYS, a coordinate system is now defined. This is used for positioning the pipe. For complex parts it is always recommended to separate position and size. The position is defined via the coordinate system and the size via a sketch. And via the name it is also clear later what defines the position of the sketch. The sketch for the pipe is then created. The length of the pipe does not matter, only the dimension 55. In the revolve command, select None as the Boolean operation. In the Unite command, use the Define Regions option to select regions to be removed. Cross hole. There are two solutions for positioning the cross hole in the pipe. Solution 1, with a coordinate system and thus maximum mobility. First create the CSYS via CSYS offset. The CSYS position pipe serves as the basis. So that the position of the coordinate system adapts with a change of the pipe diameter, A measured value is generated. The measured value is positive and therefore must get a negative prefix. And now position the hole here. The point in the coordinate system is used to position the hole, and the axis in the coordinate system is used to define the vector. Solution 2. Create the sketch for the hole directly on the CSYS position and position the point in the sketch. It is easier with a point directly on the XY plane. The point is placed on the line of the first sketch and then dimensioned. A small problem is that the angle of the hole cannot be adjusted. But, if you not need it, it is the faster solution. What do you mean? Is it possible in 6 minutes? Write me a comment.